Have you ever received mammogram results that left you feeling a bit uncertain, wondering what the next steps might be? It is a very natural feeling to have questions when your doctor recommends further investigation, and understanding the process can bring a lot of peace of mind. When a mammogram indicates a BI-RADS for abnormality, it means there is a suspicious finding that requires further investigation. This category suggests a finding that is not clearly benign, meaning harmless, nor is it definitely malignant, which means cancerous. The primary goal of investigation is to determine the exact nature of this finding, and this usually involves a biopsy. The reason BI-RADS for findings requiring such close attention is that they have a probability of being cancerous, typically ranging from 2% to 95%. This is a wide range, and your healthcare team will often specify if your finding is a BI-RADS for A, for B, or for degrees Celsius, which narrows down that probability. A for A has a lower suspicion of cancer, usually between 2% and 10%, while a for degrees Celsius has a higher suspicion, potentially up to 95%. This categorization helps guide the urgency and type of follow-up needed, ensuring that anything concerning is thoroughly evaluated. The investigation process typically begins with a detailed discussion with your doctor about your specific finding and medical history. Often, additional imaging is performed, such as a targeted ultrasound or a breast magnetic resonance imaging, also known as MRI, to get a clearer picture of the area of concern. Following this, a biopsy is usually recommended. This procedure involves taking a small sample of the suspicious tissue for examination by a pathologist. There are different types of biopsies, including core needle biopsy, fine needle aspiration, or in some cases, an excisional or surgical biopsy, where the entire abnormality is removed. During a core needle biopsy, for instance, a special hollow needle is used to extract small tissue samples. This is often guided by imaging, such as ultrasound, mammography, or MRI, to ensure precise targeting of the abnormality. Sometimes, vacuum-assisted biopsy is used, which helps obtain larger tissue samples more efficiently through a single small incision. These techniques are performed under local anesthesia, aiming to be as comfortable and minimally invasive as possible while providing the necessary diagnostic information. The tissue samples are then meticulously analyzed by expert pathologists to provide a definitive diagnosis. Ultimately, the thorough investigation of a BI-RADS for finding is a proactive and essential step in understanding your breast health. While receiving such a result can be unsettling, remember that it leads to clarity, whether the finding is ultimately benign or requires further intervention. Your healthcare team is there to guide you through each step, ensuring you receive the most accurate diagnosis and appropriate care.